Okay, let's give this a whirl and see how it works out. When I switch this on.
Well, I've been doing some boat maintenance and some.
Yeah, get some competition. But anyway, all I really wanted was the photo. I'm doing some trailer maintenance, and something I noticed that for people like me that don't have a lot of boat trailer experience, I noticed what's going on is I use my trailers in salt water, and so what happens is when I bring them in, I rinse all this off with fresh water, but what has happened is salt water has gotten down within the winch strap itself. So down here where the shaft goes through this winch, uh, you get rust. And all on the beginning of the strap, where the strap is attached, it becomes all rusty and you cannot see it. Okay, so you take the boat out again, you bring it in, you rinse all this off. It doesn't rust up here much on the surface, but it's rusting down here on the other side of this plate right here. Other side of this plate has a sprocket on it. Down in here to about I don't know, the first 3 or 4 feet of the winch strap is rusted. Okay, so uh, I'm in the process of uh, repairing that on mine. And something I wanted to make mention of is what I plan to do is when I bring it in, and some people may know this that have a lot of experience with this type of thing, is when you bring it in and you rinse this off with fresh water, you need to take this strap and you need to pull it out this way, as if your boat is going out. This is jet ski, but I've got a boat on the other side of this door. So pull out the strap and then take the fresh water and rinse off the strap down at the very end of it and rinse off all inside here with the strap all pulled out so that you can get all that salt out of there. And that'll keep it from, it might not stop it entirely, but it'll slow it. It'll keep it from rusting, seriously keep it from rusting. So anyways, that's all I wanted to show. I wanted to see if this would work for me, and maybe it has. Let's go see.